What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add text behind to your subject. We are going to see two ways you can make this effect in Premiere Pro, just like this. So now let's jump in Premiere Pro right now. So now this is the video clip I'm going to use. In this tutorial we are going to see two ways that you can use to add text behind your subject. So this is the first video we try on it, and this is the second one. So let me just begin on first method on this clip. So let me just add the text. Now click here on T, type 2, then let me just add some text. Let me add sunset. But this font I don't like it. Let me choose the best font for me. I like this one. And then increase the size of your text. And after this you have to extend this text layer how long your footage is. So then after this, go in effect control, then to search here an opacity. So here on opacity we are going to use this blend mode. On this blend mode you have to choose this dark. So now you see my text is going behind to my subject. Guys, this is the easiest way you can use to add text behind of your subject. So now this is the first method. Now you are going to see the second method here on this second clip. Then also let me add some text. Now back here on T and then type the text. Let me just write Iceland. Okay, let me change this color. Let me choose yellow. Okay, and then increase the size also of your text. Okay, then after this you have to extend your text layer depend how long your clip is. Guys, follow on these steps. I just want to animate first. I just want to animate this text layer. It will become from behind this rock from left to the right. So now let me go to the beginning of my clip here. Then let's move this text layer on this side. Then I will add the keyframe here on position, and then after I will jump some frames like this. The text, it will be finished moved by here. Then I will move where my text it will be stopped. So now let me check how is it the first step. You see my text is moving from left to the right. So now here we are going to use the method of masking. So now the things I'm gonna do, I will duplicate this footage, then I will hold Alt on my keyboard, and then I duplicate my footage. So now I put it on the top of my text layer. So now I'm going to mask this lock. I will go here, then again on opacity, then I choose this free draw bezel. Then I'm going to mask this lock. Because I just want my text to become behind this lock. But I just want locks only. Okay. So now after mask, you see, then I will start my video clip and then see how is it. So now you see my text layer, it is becoming behind this log. Then you can also, after stop it by here, you can also add another keyframe on my text layer. Then I just want my text layer to go back behind this rock. Okay, this one. Then so now let me check how is it. It comes from behind of this rock, then it will turn back. That is it, bro. Guys, if you like my video, subscribe to get new update video, like and drop your comment down below to know what you think. So now